Hello my lovers, how you all doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. My lovers, today I'm making turkey sauce. Yes, today I'm making turkey sauce. So in here is my turkey. I've already washed it and it's ready to cook. So here I'm adding my onions. Then after adding my onions, here I'm adding my basil dry leaf. Then after that I added my rosemary. Then after adding my rosemary, then I added paprika. Then after that, after adding paprika, I added thyme. Then this is me adding thyme. After that, then I added some nutmeg. Then after adding the nutmeg, then here I'm adding curry powder, then nut cube. I'm adding my nut cube, then I start to mix together. So here my chicken is done and it's ready to fry. So here I'm frying my chicken. Then here I'm just making the sauce. I just added onions. I'm adding onions. Then after that I poured in my pepper mix. So this is me pouring in my pepper mix here. Then after that, after pouring in my pepper mix, so here I'm just adding a little bit of paprika. Then after that, then I added some thyme. Then I added some rosemary. And after that, then I'm adding nutmeg. Then I added a little bit of curry powder and nut cube. I'm adding nut cube here. Then I start to mix together. Then here I'm adding my salt for taste. Then after adding my salt for taste, so here I'm just adding my turkey. So this is me adding my turkey to my sauce. Yes, I'm just adding my turkey here. Then after adding my turkey, then after that, after adding my turkey, so here I just poured in my spring onions and some basil leaf, that is curry leaf. So I added salt for taste here. Then after that, our sauce is ready and it's ready to dish out. It's ready to eat. So that is it, my lovers. Thank you for watching my videos. I do appreciate. Thank you, my lovers. See you in my next video.